Hey ladies, it's me, April. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we're going to be doing some Valentine's Day glass nails. So I already got my nails prepped here, and I am going to be doing my nails on my right hand using my non-dominant hand. So you guys just want to see me struggling, don't y'all? So let's get to it. The items I'm going to be using is from Fantasy Nails. I used the monomer, and this one is Royalty Nails, and it's a crystal clear and a frost. Look at this frost, guys. God, I'm just so in love with this acrylic. It's so beautiful. And these glitters here are from Pooh's Corner. I just love how they shift to different colors. Blue, pink. I just love it. Okay, so let's go ahead and start gluing the tips to my nails. Now, normally in videos or swatch pics or anything like that, I don't ever show any love to my right hand. Even though my right hand does everything for me, I just don't show anything on my right hand because it's just so difficult, you know, using my left hand, my non-dominant hand, to do stuff, you know, like nails. I always mess up. It just does not look right like it would be on my left side. So we are going to be, I'm going to be showing you a video on how I do my nails on my right hand. So good vibes, guys, good vibes. So yeah, if I have the link to these tips, I will put it down below for y'all if I can find it. I did buy them on eBay though. I'm pretty sure I can find them, so I'll let you know what the link is down below. Okay, so let's go ahead and start cutting down these nails. I cannot work with stiletto nails or this length anyway, so we're going to be trimming them down. And since they are glass tips, I did use the clear tips, obviously. Now that I got my tips down to the size that I want them, we're going to go ahead and file the sides. You know, kind of have it like a little coffin shaped, kind of like a squared coffin. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and do that. This is the primer and bonder that I'm going to be using. Well, dehydrator and bonder. I put down the pH balance first, the dehydrator, and then after that I will put the bonder. I have been using Fantasy Nails for quite some time now on, you know, this duo here. My friend Evie was the one that was telling me, hey, you know, it's really good, you should get it. So I did, and it is really good. Like, my nails stay on for so long. I really like this. The other two that I was using before was OPI, the Bond Aid, and the dehydrator. I mean, I love those too, but you know, the Fantasy Nails is just pretty because it's pink. So I've been using that one, and I really like it. So we're gonna go ahead and pop out the Royalty Nail supply. Now this is the clear, which I'm like running really low on. And then I have my little brush here, and this is actually from Wistonia. You can't see it anymore, but with Wistonia, the size numbers are different, and apparently this one is a size 16 when it really looks like a kind of like a size 10 to Alpha Brush, you know. So I just really like to use this one because it stays like close, you know, and my Alpha Brush for some reason is like pulling away from the middle, and I don't like that. And this one here, it stays. So if you guys have any idea how to fix my Alpha Brush on my size 10, because it like splits down the middle of the brushes, like the little bristles. So I don't know what's wrong with it, and I've been not using it very much anymore. And see, this Wistonia stays straight, and stays together. I just love it. So help me guys with the alpha brush. I don't know why, or do I need to clean it? I don't know. So what we're doing now is I am putting my one thin coat of acrylic to pretty much even out the tip and the nail bed. So that is what I'm doing right now. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and apply the glitter. I just love this glitter. It's so darn pretty. Onto my index nail, which is going to be my ring finger or accent nail. That's what I meant. That's what I meant, guys. And now I tried my darn hardest. I don't know how they do it. These freaking nail techs, man, they're so good. So I figured, okay, maybe putting a very thin coat of acrylic and then start pounding on those glitters onto my nails, right? And then they just don't stick anymore. So it's like, that's it. I'm like, okay, darn, the acrylic already dried. And I'm thinking maybe it's because I put a very thin coat of a thin layer. So again, I go ahead and get some acrylic, add some more, and pound that on there. And then I'm like, okay, so am I gonna have to do a little bit of acrylic and then glitter, and then acrylic and then glitter? And so that's what I was pretty much doing. It was just a pain in the freaking butt, y'all. Like, I don't know. And then I was thinking, what if I just put gel, like a very thin coat of gel, you know, and then apply the glitters and then apply acrylic on top? I don't know if that was a way that you can do it. I don't know. I'm going to try that out though. I'm really going to try that out because I was having so much struggle with this nail, and it came out beautiful, but I just don't know how the freak to put it on, you know, like, so yeah, it was a struggle, but it looks so darn pretty though. If you guys do want to see that video though, with the applying the gel and the acrylic over it, you know, let me know in the comments down below. Maybe I can do a video in that, and if I get enough interest, you know, and then I'll post it up so you guys can see that if it worked or if it didn't. So just, you know, comment down below now if you want to see that video or not. But as you can see, I was having so much problems with that darn nail. I already wanted to just like give up on this nail, but no, I'm almost done. Stick to it, April. You got this. Ta-da! I am done. Now we're gonna go ahead and encapsulate that. Get that done and over with. I mean, it looks so pretty. I love it. I just love, you know, how it switches colors in the lights. It just looks pretty. But damn, man, it took me forever. But, you know, I'll figure it out soon. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and start with the frost. This acrylic color is so darn pretty. And I was just going to be putting the glitter acrylic between the middle where the tip and the nail bed begins. So just pretty much there. And then I was going to have the actual tip totally clear because, you know, glass nails, right? If you do want to get some of this acrylic, it's from Royalty Nails. You can use my discount code. I am a brand ambassador for them. I will put all that information down below so you can check them out. They have a lot of pretty good colors. And I also got some colors coming in soon, and I will show you all the other colors once I get the package. I'm super duper excited. I can't wait. So now that that one is done, we're going to go ahead and encapsulate all the nails. Well, these nails look really, really nice. I actually like them matte. The way they look pretty. But, you know, I went straight to glossy. But they do look really, really nice. So after I filed and shaped them all, now we're going to go ahead and put the gelish top coat. All right, so let's zoom in a little bit so you guys can see. I just love it. It's so darn pretty. Wow. Look at that. I just love that glitter. You see what I'm talking about? It's like changes different colors. I just love it. Okay, now that I am finished cleaning off the top layer, the tacky layer, we're going to go ahead and use, there's supposed to be an E there. It's supposed to be called Enchanted. I got this cuticle oil from Cake Factory or something like that. I can't remember now, but I will put the information down below so you guys can check them out. They have a lot of different cuticle oils, and then they also have acrylics as well and gel polish. I haven't gotten any of their gel polish. I did get maybe 2 of their acrylic colors actually a while back, but anyway, yeah. But check out this cuticle oil. This is why I love this cuticle oil. Okay, you guys ready? Watch this out. It is so beautiful. Look at it. And then when you put them on your nails, I mean, yeah, you do see it. You do see it. Even after you rub it in and all. Look at that. So pretty. See, I told you guys. It looks really, really nice. Alright, so I am done with the video. These are my nails. I really do hope you guys like them. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, a like, give me that heart. No, I'm kidding. Instagram is a heart. But yes, comment down below, share it if you want. Hey, I'm always good for sharing, getting new followers. I just want new friends, more people to talk to and to support. Let's support each other. So thanks guys for watching. Have a great day, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. So thanks guys. Bye.